Hey y'all, so I have some little tiny pieces here that I cut from scrapbook paper covers, like these paper pad covers. And I'm gonna turn these into little mini tags. I have some pages out of a book that I took apart that I'm going to use to back these onto. So I'm going to take the larger pieces and glue these onto this sheet and then cut around them. And then I'm going to ink around the edges of these with Distress Oxide in the color Gathered Twigs. And then these smaller pieces I'm gonna use to layer onto the tags. So here I'm just gluing the pieces down. And I will cut each one of these out. I take one of these cards and I clip a corner to start my tag shape, and then I use that as a template to cut the corners for all the other pieces. And I'm going to use my Distress Oxide to ink around the edges of all these to get rid of the white space. Okay, now I already inked around these three little pieces. So I'm gonna glue these on. And I know for sure I want this guy on this one. And these are both gold foiled. So I'm gonna layer this one. Onto this green and gold one. And then this little set of trees onto this brown one. Now I'm going to add some eyelets to these. I'm going to use the gold ones this time. And I'm going to use my crocodile to do this. Punch a hole into each one of these. Set my eyelets. Now I have this, so I'll do this to all of these. Okay, so I added the eyelets to each one. And now I'm just gonna add some hemp cording to these as well. And I think I'm gonna use this dark brown color. Wrong scissors. So I just made a loop, put it through the eyelet, and then I'll pull the two tails through the loop, pull that closed. And then I will do this to all 5 of these tags. Okay. These little tags are done. These measure 1 3/8 inch by 2 1/4 inches tall. Cute little set of nature tags. And these will be listed over on my Facebook page. Thanks for watching, y'all.